For people who grew up poor, what normal thing felt like a luxury? Going to friends' houses and they had snacks, new clothes, eating at a restaurant. I thought for the longest time growing up if you had a fridge that had an ice and water dispenser, you were well off. We're ordering pizza for dinner, filling your gas tank instead of just putting in $7. Brand name food and other groceries. Everything in the house was the cheap branded stuff. I really envied the kids who had the nice soft toilet paper. Going on holidays. Girlfriend says she considers the dishwasher to be a luxury item. Cans of soda. The only time we had cans of soda was on the annual family picnic.